Alright, and we're back with week 2 of the GoMining update for Miner Wars. Our payout was $35, or the pool payout was $35.63. The reward that we got was the $35.63. The electricity and service fees were paid with the GoMining. As you can see, I was at 355, and now I'm at 310. So it used the GoMining tokens that it paid me in the previous reward. In this one, it used that to pay for the services, so I got my full reward, which is beautiful. Love to see that. And currently, if it would load, there we go. Scroll all the way down. Our one reward, just for a single one, goes for 0.00000089. If we go to the Bitcoin price, that equals to just about 8 cents US, which is not bad. Not bad. It's gone up a little bit, considering Bitcoin price is almost at $100,000. As you can see, had a nice little rejection off the top there. And unfortunately, since then, that was the highest closed. We are down about 8%. But that is okay. That is perfectly okay. And they've also introduced, I found out, you can go down to 15 watts per kilowatt. Let's see if I can, oh, it's actually right here. So if I click on my miner, efficiency, you can reduce it all the way down to 15 watts. Not bad. It is quite expensive, not the best return. It'll probably be better or so in a year to do it, I would say. But at the moment, if you're at 20 watts, I would say you're perfectly fine. Because I did use some of my GoMining to pay for that week of rewards, my discount has gone from 6.5% to 5.5%. So it reduced it 1% on here. It's slowly going to deduce it as it uses my GoMining tokens, but that's just how they have it set up, unfortunately. So far, for this week, we got quite a few rewards already. I'm hoping for a personal one this week. That'll be nice. We didn't get any last week. We did get one the week prior, but I'm hoping for one this week. Either a 1x or a nice 128x. You know what we're talking about? But aside from that, that's all we have in this update. We'll see you soon.